The market for compact smart audio is about to experience a massive shift, and if you have been holding off on upgrading your home setup, the latest intelligence floating through the tech supply chain suggests that Apple is quietly engineering something truly remarkable. For years, the smart speaker landscape has been defined by incremental upgrades, minor acoustic tweaks, and subtle color refreshes. However, deep within Cupertino's hardware development labs, a next-generation powerhouse is taking shape, a device designed not merely to play your favorite playlists, but to act as the neural command center for the modern intelligent home. We are standing on the precipice of a full-scale redesign that addresses virtually every single limitation of its predecessor, pushing the boundaries of what a micro-sized ambient speaker can achieve. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The upcoming Apple HomePod Mini 2 isn't just another incremental bump in a long line of minor product iterations. It represents a fundamental overhaul of Apple's ambient home ecosystem, combining custom silicon, next-tier acoustic architecture, and an unprecedented level of local artificial intelligence. To truly appreciate what is coming with the Apple HomePod Mini 2, we must first look at the current state of ambient computing and where the previous generation left off. When the original compact speaker debuted, it disrupted the market by offering surprisingly rich sound out of a sphere barely larger than an apple. But tech moves at a breakneck pace, and the computational demands of today's smart homes have far outpaced the hardware capabilities of older processors. Industry insiders and supply chain analysts have begun revealing key details about the internal changes driving this upgrade. At the heart of this upcoming hardware leap is a completely revamped system-on-chip that departs from repurposed Apple Watch processors toward dedicated, low-power computational audio silicon paired with high-performance neural engines. This means that processing Siri requests, handling complex local automation routines, and managing multi-room spatial audio sync will occur instantaneously on-device without relying heavily on cloud round trips. Beyond raw processing power, the acoustic engineering inside the Apple HomePod Mini 2 is undergoing a dramatic structural transformation. Audiophiles and casual listeners alike have long debated the physical limits of small form-factor speaker enclosures. You simply cannot cheat physics when it comes to air displacement and bass resonance. However, Apple's acoustic teams have reportedly developed a new custom full-range driver paired with dual force-canceling passive radiators designed with advanced synthetic membranes. These new materials allow for significantly greater excursion without distorting high frequencies or causing the body of the speaker to vibrate on hard surfaces. Coupled with real-time dynamic tuning that analyzes room reflection hundreds of times per second, the soundstage produced by this compact sphere is set to feel exponentially wider, richer, and more immersive than anything previously seen in this size class. The exterior visual design of the Apple HomePod Mini 2 is also set for a refined evolution that balances elegant aesthetics with improved functionality. While retaining its beloved, iconic spherical silhouette, the exterior seamless fabric mesh is being upgraded to a newly engineered, high-durability acoustic weave made entirely from recycled materials that resist dust and moisture accumulation much more effectively. The top touch surface, a signature visual focal point, is undergoing a major interactive upgrade. Instead of a basic illuminated panel with static controls, rumors point toward an expanded edge-to-edge multicolor display, zone capable of displaying subtle contextual glyphs, volume indicators, and dynamic Siri animations that respond gracefully to ambient lighting conditions in your room. Networking and connectivity are where the Apple HomePod Mini 2 will truly distinguish itself as an indispensable smart home hub. Modern homes are flooded with interconnected devices ranging from smart lighting and motorized shades to security sensors and climate control platforms. To manage this web of connectivity effortlessly, Apple is integrating its latest ultra-wideband chip alongside. Advanced Thread and Matter protocol support directly into the hardware architecture. This ensures near-instantaneous device pairing, precision spatial location tracking for iPhone proximity handoffs, and rock-solid stability across complex smart home networks. When you walk into a room playing music on your iPhone, the handoff experience will be instantaneous and flawless, eliminating the frustrating latency that occasionally plagued older wireless protocols. Artificial intelligence and natural voice interaction form the cornerstone of this new release. With Apple pushing deeply into on-device intelligence across its entire product lineup, the Apple HomePod Mini 2 is built from the ground up to serve as a primary physical interface for these advanced contextual models. Rather than relying on simple keyword commands, the integrated microphone array, featuring next-generation beamforming technology and active noise suppression, can pick up whispered command from across a noisy room. Siri on this new platform will understand complex, multi-step requests, contextual follow-ups, and personalized voice profiles with unprecedented speed and accuracy, turning voice interaction from occasional convenience into a primary method of home control. Energy efficiency and sustainability have also taken center stage in the engineering of the Apple HomePod Mini 2. Designed to remain continuously powered on while drawing minimal baseline power, the new internal power management module reduces standby energy consumption to absolute fractional levels. Furthermore, the internal logic board, speaker magnets, and structural housing utilize high percentages of recycled rare earth elements and ocean-bound plastics, aligning with broader carbon-neutral initiative goals. This focus on efficiency does not come at the expense of audio output power, as the dynamic amplifier can instantly scale power delivery during peak dynamic audio passages without overheating or causing thermal throttling. When considering room placement and spatial versatility, the Apple HomePod Mini 2 introduces sophisticated computational spatial awareness. Using real-time ultrasonic sensing and beamforming microphone feedback, the speaker automatically maps its surrounding environment the moment it is plugged in or moved to a new location. Whether placed on a wooden bookshelf, a granite kitchen counter, or a glass nightstand, the internal DSP adjusts equalizer curves automatically to eliminate unwanted reflections and muddy mid-range frequencies. If you pair two unit spheres together in a stereo configuration, they communicate wirelessly over a dedicated ultra-low latency channel to create an expansive, perfectly balanced stereo soundstage that rivals far larger standalone shelf speakers. The integration into the broader ecosystem represents another massive selling point for users already invested in personal hardware lineups. The Apple HomePod Mini 2 acts as a seamless extension of your personal audio ecosystem. It serves as an active HomeKit hub, facilitating encrypted remote access to video doorbells, smart locks, and environmental monitors without compromising user privacy. Security remains paramount, with all local voice parsing stored and processed directly within the secure enclave of the internal chip, ensuring that private conversations inside your home remain strictly private and never uploaded to external servers without explicit consent. Looking at market timing, pricing strategy, and competitive positioning, the arrival of the Apple HomePod Mini 2 is strategically timed to dominate the premium compact audio market. By combining reference-grade computational acoustics, deep smart home integration via Matter and Thread, ultra-fast local AI processing, and a refined aesthetic design, Apple is setting a new benchmark for what entry-level smart audio hardware should look like. Consumers looking for an uncompromised balance between compact elegance, pristine sound quality, and seamless intelligent home management will find this upcoming iteration to be an absolute essential addition to their living spaces.